issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Anson County in central North Carolina, southwestern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Pleasant to near Midland to near Fairview in Union County, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Plyler, Fairview in Union County, Locust, Sinfield, Maury Haven, and Marl Mountain State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, and Stanley.